Hi guys, where everyone is running after the latest flagship Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, probably at the same time, we have come with the review of Sony's this year mid-range device Sony Xperia 10 Mark II. Because we know you love to see the review of flagship devices, but if you buy phone, you will buy the mid-range one. I hope this video will be helpful to those guys who are currently planning to buy the market-based mid-range device. So this is Rokibul Hassan and you are watching Gadget Insider. Just single request before starting the video, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe because subscription costs nothing. Now without wasting time, let's get started. First, start with appearance. How does it look? Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, both front and back side are made with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and plastic frame. And 150 gram weight and 6-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen gives you solid and perfect feel in your hand. Not only that, it is also having IP65 and IP68 water and dust resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes, which added a flagship feel on mid-range budget. You will get to see single and hybrid dual SIM options in this phone. Means one slot is for the SIM card and the slot is for the memory. But if you use two SIM card in this phone, means no external memory card options will be available. But personally, I believe you don't need to use external memory card because this phone is coming up with 128 GB internal memory storage. Means this is plenty for one person to use. And this phone is also having 4 GB RAM options as well. Now camera and performance. When you buy any mid-range device, these two things you always need to compromise because the differences between mid-range device and flagship device is in the performance and camera. But here you don't need to compromise much because as you all know, Sony has a very good reputation of making better camera on their smartphones, even though they make camera for other smartphone brands. So here you will get to see triple lens setup in the Xperia 10 Mark II in the main camera options, and these are respectively 12 megapixel wide angle lens, 8 megapixel telephoto lens which offer 2x optical zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. Video recording options for the main camera is 4K at 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. Now at the front side is coming up with 8 megapixels wide angle single sensor selfie camera which can record up to 1080 pixel at 30 fps. A Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor has been used on this device, which is 11 nanometer process. As I stated earlier, that if you buy any mid-range device, you have to compromise the performance. You cannot expect the performance same as like flagship device. The Sony latest flagship Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is coming up with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which is 7 nanometer plus chipset. Compared to this, far more better. But Snapdragon 665 is still okay. You can operate your day-to-day activities very smoothly. You can play games like PUBG, but you will get to face sufficient lagging while playing games, as well as grim FPS and graphics will be pretty much lower. Now battery, a 3600 mAh battery has been used and it's coming up with 18 watt fast charging capabilities which keeps your phone alive 24 hours. Means it is capable of survive one day without charging. Now all this package is coming up with 369 euros. At the last, I just want to say that if you cannot compromise the price, then you have to compromise the performance. If you want immense performance, camera and battery backup, you go for flagship one. But if budget matters for you, then you go for it. You will not be disappointed. So that was all about today. I hope the video was quite informative and you liked it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.